Welcome to Q Automated. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for notifications. Here we are going to learn about how we can test WebSocket request in Postman. So let us get started and create our first WebSocket request in Postman. Click on New, select WebSocket. This is currently in beta phase, so you can share your feedback also if you feel anything is missing in this. So let us start with the request. So here I'm using this Postman example of echo. Uh, for this particular request, we don't need any headers or parameters. We can use this. So in HTTP request, we write HTTP here. For WebSocket request, it will be WSS. In HTTP, you send a request and you expect one response, and it goes on like that, a request and a response, which is in a synchronous manner. But WebSocket is not like HTTP. It is a asynchronous API. So what I mean by asynchronous API? Here, the request is not expected from the client every time. The server can send stream of responses, stream of data. So the use cases where we want a stream of data per every second or millisecond is expected. That type of scenarios we use WebSocket API, and where you want to have a chat room like conversations where everyone is connected. Once the connection is established, then you are connected and anyone can send a message, anyone can receive the message, and this goes on. So this type of scenarios you can go for a synchronous API like WebSocket. Now let us see how to connect. Here there is option to connect. So this particular section is to provide your endpoint and connect to your WebSocket endpoint. Now this part is to send and receive, sending a message. If you want to send anything, you can send it from here. You can add your parameters, your headers. If there are some security keys or authorizations required, you can mention that in the headers section. So here let's add a message. Hello world. Okay, and hit send. So whatever is sent, that is received. You can see this arrow sent and this as received. You can check the connection establishment and connection parameter and handshake details here in this section. You can minimize this. Also, you can select the messages only sent, only received. You can see, clear your message queue and try sending again. So let us try with another example here. So this request you can save now. You can save this request to your collection. You can create a new collection. Socket collection, create and save. Your request is saved here. Now let us create a new request. Okay, I will use the same endpoint but with operation IoT. Okay, sorry. Let us add to this connection WebSocket. Okay, request is added here. And let us connect. Okay, so this particular request is used to receive series of messages. What is this? These are the list of devices, IoT devices currently connected to mybluemix.net. So these are the details of the devices, and you will keep on receiving it until you disconnect this. You can check sent. There is no sent, only received in this case. You can clear your messages. Messages are cleared here. And you can check the newly received messages. Yeah. And 35 were deleted. You can restore the messages which you cleared. So this is about WebSocket in Postman. So try it yourself, and if you have any questions, you can write it down. Thank you.